Welcome to our equipment orientation series. Our first session is on the back row machine, which is specifically designed to work on that upper back and really help with creating a nice tall posture alignment. Along the side of the machine, you'll see that there are instructions on exactly how to use the machine. So what I'm going to do today is show you how you can get your seat assignment. What I'm going to do is pull this yellow knob, and I'm going to pull it out, and then you can see how the seat lifts and lowers. And I'm going to release the knob and lock it in. Very important that you lock that seat assignment in. All right, then I'm going to approach the machine from the rear and place my feet on the footstools that are provided. Sitting up nice and tall, extending your arms. Now you want to have those arms fully extended, and that will determine how far you should sit, and then that will make this placement a little bit easier. So once again, I'm going to lift up that yellow knob and pull it out so that my chest can rest against here. I'm sitting up tall and I'm not collapsing. My arms are fully extended. Inhale here, pulling that belly button in, keeping the core engaged. As you exhale, you're going to squeeze those shoulder blades together behind you. Hold it there for a second. Inhale and slowly release. Exhale and squeeze those shoulder blades together. Inhale and release. Now, ideally, you'd like to do between 10 and 12 repetitions here. And by the time you get to the 12th repetition, it should be a little bit challenging. Exhale and squeeze. And then you release that. So if you get to the 12th repetition and it seems like it's a little bit easier, that's the opportunity for you to increase your weight. And you can increase your weight through 5-pound increments using this yellow knob here. Once you've adjusted your weight, you can drop down those repetitions to about 10 and then gradually build up your strength that way. In order to exit the machine, you just want to stand up, holding on to something still, and then watch your step as you exit the machine here. So please check out our LWCA Fitness YouTube channels for more of our videos. Thanks for joining.